about, what, 2 hours away from me, and the shop that do the wheels is in the same location, but they are closed on the weekend, so I don't have no time on the weekdays. I could probably make time on the weekdays, but I don't want to make it like a hassle or anything. Anyway, I'm finna check these out. Might end up getting them. I was gonna get these other wheels for like 600, but guy never sent me pictures when I asked him. I mean, I wanted to meet him and all that. That was all good, but then I said, can you send me some recent pictures of it? I ain't getting none. He said when you get back on, I said okay. Still like seeing the pictures, so I said, you know what? I'm gonna look at these wheels. I thought it would fit the Mercedes, you know, retro style and all that. So I mean, why not? They're gonna probably need to be cleaned up a little bit. So we'll see if I'm digging them. They are 18. The aftermarket wheels I bought the other time was 18, but the car is more lowered now. So we'll see how they look on here. I might dig on my, you know, just to see. So we'll see. All right, guys, so we're getting close. I think we got about like 15 minutes from where I'm at. I need to get the guy who used to, I'm asking where can I get these bolts from, because I need to put that back on. Man, these wheels are looking so good on here. I'm going to repaint them, and then I'm going to redo the trim. But I need to take the front wheels off. I gotta get some spacers from up front, because it is touching. So anyway, I had all these tires on the back side. This rack come in handy. Gotta get one of these tires off. It's about finna be 1 o'clock in the morning. Every time I get some wheels, I don't know why, but I think the original size wheels are 17s, but still. So we got the original wheels back on. So I gotta drive it like this. I am gonna get those on. I'm finna, when I get home, look online, see what spacers I need. I believe it's a 10 millimeter I should use. I'm gonna see if O'Reilly's somebody have something, but I doubt it. But probably get some paint and all that tomorrow too. Respray the car and all that. Guys, that's gonna be it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Something quick and small. It's going to be pretty much it. If y'all made it this far, you have subscribed. Hope you consider subscribing, and stay tuned for the W210. We're going to refurbish it. Yeah, just go from there. So see y'all for the drop this video.